What is up, you guys? I feel like.
What up?
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Munoz Intake. I know it's been a while. Today we are doing a couple of science experiments you can do at home. Let's see how it goes. Okay. We need to try that.
Doesn't it like burn?
I don't know. We'll find out. Alright, for this first experiment, we're just going to be doing the Germix and lighter experiment. Not quite sure if this one's flammable. This is the only one we have. Oh yeah, warning's flammable. Keep away from flame or high heat. Okay, perfect. All we got to do is put some Germix.
Table. Put Germix on your hand. Then touch. Yeah.
Oh, I think I put too much. What if I can't turn it off? Oh, it feels hot.
I think you need more.
Oh! Oh my god. What?
Okay, first you soak the soil. Soak it really good. Put the sugar. Then you put baking soda. Light it up. Oh my god, it's working.
Oh look, it's growing.
That's cool.
Growing. It's actually working.
That's so cool.
It's actually working. Look, it's growing. Well, slowly but surely.
That one's big.
Yeah, that one on that side is huge. I'm not gonna walk on eggs.
Are they lying to us?
Watch them all just crack. Oh, he's gonna make a bomb. Now they're making bombs for sure. Oh, ready for World War III. Let's go make some bombs. For this next experiment, all you're gonna need is some baking soda, vinegar, and a Ziploc bag. Quick. Oh, you put too much. Watch what happens. All right, second attempt. Make sure it's got a tight seal. Oh,
wow.
It pops from the top. Let's see what happens if we dump some more baking soda into it.
Ready?
Go. Well, it was worth a try. It actually does work. We just need some better Ziploc bags. Back inside.
Oh, I want to do it.
I've done that before. Ooh.
How does it do that?
Mini fog machine. All you gotta do is just twist it. And then just... Oh my god.
Oh, you're spin it for you.
Oh, watch out. It's gonna pop in your hand. Okay. Now watch. Look at that.
That's all?
And that's it. And then just throw that away. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching. We probably could have done better, but since we're no science experts, well, we tried our best. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It really does help us. You know, it motivates us to keep uploading videos and to entertain you guys and bring out more better content, you know. Make sure you slam that like button. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on Monday, guys. It's nasty. Yeah. You need to wash your hands. Here, wash your hands with this water.